the allotment as a whole, rather than just an individual plot, it's very eclectic, very diverse in terms of the people that come on here, their loveliness, their willingness to share, to help each other out. Linda's going to look after my plot next week while I'm away, and also, what's on everybody's plots. And, there's a lot of new sheds going up. There's a guy just down the road, just down the hill, who's building some kind of ark himself out of pallet wood, which is incredible. And then you've got a shed like mine at the bottom, which originally was built on soil and was slowly collapsing and leaning because the concrete was poured into it rather than the shed was being stood on it. So so there's a real mix of things, and that just brings to the beauty of it.
You see so many different types of sheds or greenhouses, or the way someone's growing their pumpkins that year. And I think being on a valley, that allows you to see that, whereas if it was flat, you wouldn't necessarily see so much.
I've got a very conventional shed here, but particularly in the valley, people have built much more beautiful sheds, and they have verandas and they have fire pits, and so people have barbecues here. And there's a lot of kind of communal, enjoying your outdoor space and enjoying your produce and things like that, because they have really, they have verandas. People sit here with their deck chairs, their chairs, things like that. I think I covered those. I'd like a bigger plot so I can have one of those big ones with verandas.